So today we're in the kitchen about to make an amazing upper body workout dumbbell recipe that's going to include our chest, shoulders, tricep, and back. So let's get started. So we're gonna start this workout with the classic flat bench dumbbell chest press. This is a great workout to start with because when you're doing this exercise, you're working your chest, the front part of your shoulders, and your triceps all at the same time. Just make sure when you do this exercise, you squeeze your core or brace your core to have more control with the weight. And also don't go quickly or fast. Go in a smooth and controlled manner to make sure you're working your chest, shoulders, and triceps as much as possible. So after a set of that dumbbell chest press, you can either rest or you can go to the next exercise, which I call the Superman presses. It's primarily an upper back workout, but some shoulders and triceps are working here as well. So as you can see in this exercise, I'm using the bench, but if you're new and more comfortable, I recommend that you use the ground first. So in this exercise, you want to make sure that you keep your core tight, flat out your elbows, and then all you're doing is just straighten out your arms forward and then bringing them back, the whole time making sure that your upper back is engaged. And I want to tell you right now, in this exercise, you can't use a lot of weight. A lot of times, for most people, 10 pounds is going to be the max. And a lot of times, especially if your upper back is not strong enough, just using your own body weight is enough. And if you're liking this workout so far, hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell and leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of these exercises so far. And the next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be another chest exercise / shoulder workout and triceps, which is the incline bench dumbbell chest press. So in this version of the incline chest press, we have one arm pressing up and down while the other arm is at an L position or 90-degree angle. And then after you finish with one arm pressing each arm, you go to the classic double arm incline chest press. I can guarantee you right now, if you're benching 100 pounds incline for reps, this version you'll have to cut it in half. And just make sure when you're doing this exercise, keep your core tight. After the incline bench chest press, we're gonna target our triceps now with the incline bench tricep kickback. In this exercise, make sure you keep your core tight. Also, when you're doing this exercise, make sure your upper body doesn't go off the incline bench. We wanna be only moving the lower half of our arm when we're doing this exercise to make sure that the triceps and only the triceps are working. As we're resting our triceps during our kickbacks, we can do this upper back / real deltoid workout. It's going to be the incline bench W raises. In this exercise, make sure you keep your core tight. Make sure you keep your neck nice and long. Don't crunch it up or down. And then make sure when you're doing your W's and you're bringing your arms up with the weight, make sure you try to bring your shoulder blades in or together as much as possible. And if you're liking this amazing upper body dumbbell workout recipe, turn on that bell, hit that subscribe button first though, and leave a comment down below. And now the next exercise we're going to be doing is going to be this shoulder workout. It's going to be for your middle deltoids and the front deltoids, aka your anterior deltoids. It's going to be this lateral to front raise. And this exercise, keep your core tight and also keep your arms straight at all times. And just like the incline chest press, you won't be able to do a lot of weight with this exercise. So if you're doing 25 to 30 pounds maxing out and repping out with the regular lateral raises, most likely for this exercise you'll be only doing 15 to 20 pounds at max. Now when it comes to sets and reps for this workout, if you're brand new to working out, I recommend no more than 2 sets and no more than 12 reps for each workout. If you're more advanced, you can go to 3, 4, 5, 6 sets if you want, but that's up to you. Now if you want like a bicep workout as well, I have a video that I made previously that you can check out in the top corner. And here on this channel, we're trying to empower beginner and moderate fitness enthusiasts at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, weight your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.